Good morning. I woke up today and I will show you my progress. I think I lost some 0.7 kilos yesterday. This is my day 2 and I wanted to talk to you about my first thing in the morning. What do I do as soon as I wake up? So there's this thing called green coffee, if you know about, like super healthy. It's like I have this green coffee. It's like almost 10 times the power of white tea or green tea if you're using that. So it detoxifies your body and it has a lot of antioxidant, a lot more than I think some 5 times green tea, and it has less caffeine as well, so it will sustain me through the day. So I'll show you how to do this. I drink this every day, morning and evening, and it's like a weight loss agent as well. So booster they call it, because it whatever, if you're losing weight, if you're on a healthy diet, then it helps you to almost double the weight loss. So let me just use this and show you how to do this. So this was the first thing in the morning that I did yesterday and today as well. I'll show you my log later, but this is my recipe of how to do it. So I take a cup, and so this is a special cup. What I mean is that there are 3 parts. One part is plain glass, it has double walled glass, and then there is this part which is like a stainer. It has small holes inbuilt, so it just goes on top of the main glass like this, and then there is a lid. So 3 parts. What I'll do now is, I have a kettle here. I think you cannot see it. I'll put all the links of these things if you want to buy, but anyways, you can use a normal cup, you can use a stainer and things like that. I'll put 150 to 200 ml of water. So water is there. I'll boil that completely. That's very important. Meanwhile, I will take the stainer. You can use a regular stainer if you have it at home. Just do that, and then use 1 teaspoon, like 1 teaspoon, literally only this much. You can have it full, but I prefer to, because I also drink bullet coffee in the morning, so I just take this much and put it in the stainer. Yeah, it tastes horrible, or at least it is bland. If you are used to drinking green tea, for example, then I'm pretty sure you'll get used to this. But if you're not used to drinking green tea without sugar or without honey, then this will taste bland like that. You can try it with honey. I don't prefer honey because it's like extra calories, and you're not supposed to do it on keto as well. So no honey, no sugar, no brown sugar. So the water is boiling. The thing that I do to avoid a lot of particles inside is that first I'll put water in a cup, something like this. Then I'll just put this inside. So it's like a stainer. What you can do is you can put it in a piece of makmal cloth or the thin cloth that you use for staining. You put some powder, wrap it up and dip it in water, cover it with lid and let it steep for 5 minutes. Yeah, that's very important because that has to release all the juices, good juices, antioxidants, everything. 5 minutes is very important. Please take care of that. Cover it with lid because yeah, it has to retain the heat inside. After 5 minutes, I forgot to tell you how it looks and how it tastes. After 5 minutes, you just take off the lid, remove the strainer and remove the coffee cup out of it. So basically the particles will swell up, so you will be left with a lot of, see, this is a back stainer, but I didn't want to use a regular one. I'm using it, so I don't mind having the particles inside. Let it sit and it will all settle down. So that's it. See, it looks something like this, almost the color of the green coffee, right? Almost the color of green coffee powder. You will get used to the smell after day 1 or day 2. You can add some flavorings like maybe a bit of cinnamon or maybe a bit of cumin. Cumin is a great weight loss ingredient, so you can add that. Also cinnamon, a bit, not a lot. Nothing sweet. Just drink it as is, and you'll get used to. Trust me. Drink it for 10 days, and you'll get used to the taste and the flavor. Tastes like coffee beans. I don't know if you have ever tried coffee beans. Raw coffee beans, just like that. But it's very healthy. I'll put you some links of the healthy benefits of green coffee somewhere here. Okay, so you can follow me on this log journey of mine for keto and for low carb diet. I'll be going through that. This is my day 2. If you want to watch the videos of day 1, you can find it here. Please subscribe and like the video if you want to see more of keto based diets or healthy things that I do generally. I'll not be on keto forever, so subscribe, like. If you have some questions, if you have some queries, just put it in a comment. Let me know. I'll try to answer all your possible questions and queries. So ciao, have a good day.